Hello guys, this is Joe and I want to give you an update about what we've done all this month in January in our Amazon FBA project. We've actually been super active. We're balancing multiple businesses at the same time while focusing on our Amazon UK project. So let's break it down. If you check my driver's license, you will see my name is Ogün Özkan, but since that's a bit tricky to pronounce it in other cultures, I will go by Joe. Hence, this channel's name is AMZ Joe now. When I lived in the US, people called me Joe and I got used to it. So let's keep it simple. To sell on Amazon, you need a registered company. My original plan was to launch a sole trader business in UK. However, since I'm not a resident in UK, they didn't give me that permission, so I had to launch a limited company. Setting up an LTD in UK is pretty easy. You can do it by yourself. But if you ever need help, just drop a comment. I will do my best to guide you when I have time. Here is the breakdown of our expenses to get started. Company registration, including middleman fees, $132. Virtual number, $10. Amazon UK account setup, $47.99. The total initial investment is $190. With additional business expenses, I spent $313 so far. So in January, I spent around 60 hours on this hustle. Most of my time went into finding profitable products, researching reliable suppliers, and communicating and negotiating deals. You might know this year is the snake year in China. At the moment, Chinese workers are in holiday, so we cannot get products from them. Most of the companies begin working after 5th of February. As you know, I initially planned to order all my products before Chinese holiday, but I couldn't do it unfortunately. I could only place an order just for one product, and it's already on the way to Amazon UK warehouse. So let's check out our investment so far. $300 for company setup, $1,200 for first product order including shipping and taxes. So $1,500 is total spend at the moment. So $1,500 is spent now. So we still have $8,500 in our pockets. At the moment, I'm planning to spend every dollar I have in my pocket to get more products in my inventory. Well, I hear you. Amazon ads will be another significant expenses. Well, since I will have time my inventory to arrive to Amazon warehouses, let's say 50 more days, 60 more days. As you can imagine, from China to UK, there will be sea freight and it takes at least 50 days. And let's say after 50 days, there will be 2 more weeks to Amazon to accept the products and put it in my inventory. So I will have quite time to raise some money, to save some money for my Amazon ads. So my target for 2025 is to launch 20 different products, 20 different listings in Amazon UK, and I'm planning to spend $250 for each product for Amazon ads, which makes $5,000. I will most likely use my credit card to cover those expenses. I also subscribed Helium 10, a must-have product research and tracking tool. It costs $39 per month or $468 per year. Honestly, without Helium 10, I wouldn't have entered this business. Since the Chinese New Year delayed my ordering, I'm taking this time to double check the profitability of my product selection. I found 20 plus potential products, but I will start with just 6 to test the waters. So orders will resume in February. I have no specific niche. I'm testing multiple categories: sports, electronics, home applications, toys, and etc. With my strategy, it's actually really easy to find profitable products. You need to invest your time though. This time I'm not focusing on branding. Branding is impressive, but it's also a long-term process. All your effort go to waste. It happened to me, it can be happen to you. I'm not saying you shouldn't build a brand, but I'm playing it differently this time. So from China to the UK, sea freight takes at least 50 days. Air freight is faster but too expensive. I'm not giving my profits to intermediaries. Not anymore. So Amazon will take about 2 more weeks to check in the inventory. So realistically, my first batch of products won't be live for at least 2 months. And that's fine. I've learned that patience is key. A year ago, I wanted to make money fast. You know, we all do. But this time I'm thinking differently. I don't expect expect to make any real profit by 2025 December. So that's an 11-month waiting game and I'm okay with it. This is an investment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Will there be losses? Of course. But that's business, my friend. If I didn't want any risk, my hometown is Turkey, so I would convert my dollars to Turkish lira and put it in the bank and I will earn at least 40% interest rates. Sounds nice, right? Well, not for me. We are here to trade and we are gonna get much more bigger profit than banks offers us. I'm running this business solo right now and I wanna keep it this way. My gig, my rules. Think about it. If you're a barber, no matter how skilled you are, you have a limit. Maybe you charge $50 per cut, but you cannot scale time. You only have 24 hours in day. So how many hours you can work? Let's say 10, let's say 15. But with products, no limits. So that's why we chose to trade products than services. Currently, $10,000 might not seem like a big deal. Maybe I will only profit a couple of thousands this year. That's nothing. But what about next year? What about 2030? Maybe by then we'll be selling $100 million worth of products. Same effort but more significant results. At the end, I'm not physically carrying those products on my back, right? Millionaires and billionaires, they are not necessarily more intelligent than you. They only serve more people. Think about it. You can be a carpenter or you can own a bamboo furniture factory company. Who makes more money? Who provides value to more people? Success is just a numbers game. So let's talk about something frustrating. TikTok is tricky. Even though I have an LTD in UK now, they do not allow me to open a TikTok seller account. To sell on TikTok in UK, I need either a residency or I need to employ someone who have a residency. So in this period, we won't be able to sell on TikTok. That's a shame because I found a lot of profitable products to sell on TikTok. Now that seems like a trash. Anyway, I'll get there sometime anyway. But if any TikTok authority is watching this, please tell me why you cannot accept my company. My LTD is registered in UK even though I don't have a residency. Amazon accepts it. eBay accepts it. All other platforms accept it. But you don't. So that was a quick overview for my Amazon UK journey so far. Subscribe to AMZ Joe, this channel, for more updates. I'll see you in the following video.